Hello, I want to demonstrate how implementing of smart contract is working. At first, in this admin area, we already have several startups and choose one and choose smart contract option where we are see variables to set into the smart contract. At the beginning, the main variables are name and symbol of the share. As you know, these two are the standard for ERC20. Now we have this and we can create the contract. In this window, you see all data. Every transaction needs to set password because user account is stored on only local storage of browser and never translated to server, and it's stored in encrypted form. Then we are sending this transaction and looking at the effect. It was created. Now it creates that on private blockchain. These are various smart contract variables and constants. For example, name and symbol are constants. These are those view functions when we are able to set parameters into the function. Okay, now we need to set the date of sale period and other already defined parameters. Now is 10 o'clock. Then let's choose 10 hours and 2 minutes as start, and 10 hours and 5 or 4 minutes as end time. Save. Now we can, as owner, use a prepare sale method. You see here predefined arguments, the cost, and let's go. Yeah, just look to here. Okay, price for one share, one small DAI, share percentage for sale 45, to team 55, cashback to investment guides 5, bounty cap and pre-sale cap, start date and end date, finance period and business period, business period deadline, percentage of dividends to pay or in relation to income, 50 as the default. Okay, deadline of the receiving dividends period serial number of the last voting ID and look at team shares. Okay, we can invest. Cool. Arguments. This is a predefined argument which set investment guide address, and if you were not invited by anyone except Pandaria, then Pandaria address is set as investment guide, and this is a monetization aspect. Okay, send Ethereum. No L1. It translated to DAI, stablecoin, calling the function amounts out on the contract, which is public view. So don't need no need to have need to make a send transaction call. Okay, let's invest and we'll see what will happen. Send in transaction. Look here. We have 0.1 Ether balance. Share supplied. And look at team shares supplied. Why team shares are allocated? There is a reason. Because team cannot access to all their shares at the beginning, and with time the part of their shares are unlockable, and they can unlock a part of shares, but not the whole part of shares. This because in the smart contract is implemented the function withdraw investment, which can be used by investor if she or he wants to return back their investment during the business period. So the smart contract owner is not able to spend all money, and this protects from bad projects, protects investor at the first. But in some cases, investors can use function reject investment withdrawal, and the owner of contract will be able to use transact out method to use or on any other addresses transact out all amount of investment pool after the sale period. Exactly. Okay. Let's see. In the actives, we have our active. And options in form of available functions at the address of smart contract to use. If we have this active, if we have this share, we can invest, receive dividends, votes, withdraw investment, and reject investment withdrawal. This button is shadowed because it determines that it's only available on second period, on business period, receive dividends. Okay, I think this the core main information about this aspect of the Fondable.